Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin. This video is for information and educational purpose only. Please do your own research or consult a professional before making any decision based on this content. Thank you.
Adaptimmune Therapeutics plc, ADAP, operates as a clinical-stage biotechnology firm that specializes in cell-based immunotherapies, specifically targeting solid tumors. Utilizing its proprietary technology, the company develops T-cells that can identify cancer antigens to attack malignant cells, focusing on types of cancer that are challenging to treat through traditional methods. ADAP's development initiatives encompass various candidates aimed at treating conditions such as sarcoma, head and neck cancer, along with other difficult-to-manage malignancies. Recently, Adaptimmune announced its intention to voluntarily delist its American depository shares from the Nasdaq Capital Market. This decision follows a strategic restructuring that occurred in conjunction with a merger involving another organization in July 2025. The company is preparing to deregister under the Securities Exchange Act, which may lead to a transition of its trading activities to an over-the-counter (OTC) market. This shift carries significant concerns regarding liquidity, transparency, and trading convenience for both current and prospective investors. Financially, ADAP continues to operate at a loss. The latest quarterly report indicated modest revenues, primarily generated from collaboration or licensing activities and the initial phases of clinical trials. However, substantial operating losses remain, as expenditures on research and development, clinical trials, and corporate functions outstrip revenues. Achieving profitability appears to be an ambitious goal, primarily dependent on the success of its therapeutic candidates and potential partnership opportunities. In terms of risk versus reward, ADAP epitomizes a classic high-risk, high-reward biotech scenario. There is considerable upside potential if its therapies are successful in clinical trials and can secure regulatory approval. Conversely, the recent decision to delist, ongoing cash burn, volatile trial outcomes, and the transition to OTC trading render the stock highly speculative and possibly illiquid. For investors, critical factors to watch include updates from the pipeline, particularly regarding trial outcomes, any licensing or partnership agreements, and the company's strategies for managing its cash resources or seeking further financing. In summary, Adaptimmune finds itself at a pivotal juncture, balancing promising scientific advancements against the risks associated with execution, regulatory unpredictability, and challenges to liquidity and visibility. Should its scientific endeavors prove successful, the potential rewards could be substantial. However, the journey ahead is likely to be turbulent.